You your daddy's son,
and you your mama daughter.
why he a party pooper?
Cause we the party starter.
You calling her Stephanie, I'm calling her Heffany.
I'm Timmy Turner with the burner on the left of me.
Hey, what's up? It's your girl, Latasha, and we are the Girl Girls Gang. So today, they got me doing this city challenge. You know what challenge I'm talking about? The no burping challenge. So, I think you're supposed to drink the soda and you can't burp. So here you go. Yeah, you got what I want. I don't know. Trying to make it. Let me see that stick. Pointing at the camera.
We need those bad.
Then while I'm moving
I need like those.
at the end of May.
I just need those.
So I think I'm supposed to drink the soda and I can't burp. So here we go. 2.
Give me that container. I can put this on there, please.
I'm sad I do this. Most times Burmally. I seen some fella had Sprite in the Mountain Dew. I can't drink them. This is my favorite. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. See, I got my flat today because we had it like a tipper day. So, yep. Ready? What y'all did? Happy for me, y'all did this challenge today. I've been did it. First is the first. And I ain't burped yet. I go one. Like, comment, subscribe to you. What you think about this video, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.
You your daddy's son,
And you your mama daughter.
why he a party pooper?
Cause we the party starter.
You calling her Stephanie, I'm calling her Heffany.
I'm Timmy Turner with the burner on the left of me.